So as you can see, the color palette in this UI kit is defined by function each of these colors serves. So for example, we have primary call to action colors, the secondary call to action, the colors for soft, medium and strong dividers, the body font, secondary body font, and so on. Below, we can see the so-called palette composer. It's there only to show you the colors next to each other, so you can verify whether all together the colors match nicely and there is no jarring contrasts between them. To ensure that colors are being distributed consistently, we are using the sketch color variables. These color variables are then inherited by the corresponding layer styles. UI components use layer styles that inherit its colors from the color variables, making it possible to switch between them using the sketch override. So it is the matter of utmost importance not to break this link when editing the branding. I'm going to change just the main ones for now, keeping in mind that we cannot break the link between the variable and the layer style. When updating the colors, we need to remember to always edit the variable. So I'm gonna start with the dark mode colors, change the main background color here, then proceed changing the old background color, and so on. Carry on with the main ones like primary call to action. As we do it, we can see below the colors changing in our palette composer. That shows us that indeed some of colors match, but some not quite. So still some work is required. For sake of this presentation, we can go and see now how the colors that we did manage to change affected the example design. And you can see that the look and feel of the screens is completely different than it was when we started 5 minutes ago. As we are going to the more complicated design example, we can see that more work is needed. These colors that we haven't edited yet still need to be addressed. To assemble these palettes, it's a good practice just to temporarily copy the affected artboard and to do it side by side and then see the colors changing as you edit them.